Do you know lava and magma can destroy you? Here's how. If you step on lava, you won't sink. You'll ignite instantly and turn into human toast. But what's worse? Magma is lurking under your feet right now. In some places, just a few kilometers below. Volcanic gases? Invisible. Deadly. One breath of carbon dioxide from an eruption can knock you out cold. And if sulfur dioxide mixes with water? Boom! Acid rain melts everything in its path. Think staying indoors is safe? Think again. Volcanic ash can seep into your house, turn the air into razor-sharp dust, and destroy electronics. Oh, and if you breathe it in, your lungs turn to concrete. And what if a supervolcano erupts? Forget cities. Entire continents could be covered in ash, blocking the sun for years. Global temperatures would drop, crops would fail, and a volcanic winter could begin. Before the craziest fact, subscribe or your next vacation might be on an active volcano. Okay, here it is. There's a volcano that's been erupting for over 35 years, and people live right next to it. That's right, Mount Yeaser in Vanuatu erupts daily, and locals use it as a tourist attraction. Would you dare to visit?